What's up guys, welcome back to the next video in learning Python. My name is Dani and you guys are watching my channel Coriowood. As promised in the previous video that I'm going to show you guys how you guys gonna write your file, even though now you guys gonna see reading your file and reading your file. Say for example you guys gonna put it here, this is not gonna display anything here because it's gonna open up the file and you guys gonna read here. So how we guys gonna display your file, the lines here. Alright, so now I'm gonna copy this one for example, and you guys can either put it here for your record or you guys can destroy it, up to you. Okay, so for you guys, first to begin with, if you guys want to open the file, to instead of just writing here or appending, you guys can put it in here. So you guys needs to first to begin with, you guys needs to open the file. So we're gonna open the file, and instead of seeking and writing, we're gonna remove this. Now our file is open, so instead of reading or writing, we're gonna remove this one here, and now you guys gonna come in and say for example for loop, because you guys needs to iterate through the lines, how many lines here. So I'm going to show you guys the first line. If you guys have, say for example, the one line, then I'm going to show you guys the whole line, whatever you guys want to open. Okay, so for line, or whatever the line here, for each line, not for each but for line, in for example my file dot read line, and keep in mind this read line one is for one file, this read lines for look at here, there is, it says self, and don't worry about the self. I'm going to show you guys the self later on when we get to the object oriented part, and soon we're going to start that one, and you're going to see the limit, and there is a hint here. So there is a this singular and this one's a plural, so we're going to use this one, read line. Okay, so now we're going to print line. We're going to print the line, and we're going to say, as I said to you guys, now this line is singular, and whatever you guys are going to see, you guys are going to see this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this one. Welcome to my channel Coriowood. So I'm going to remove that one. So I'm going to run, and you guys are going to see that we have printed our line, but that's one line because that's a for loop. Welcome to my channel Coriowood. So how about you guys want to do a lot of line, all the lines? All you guys needs to do is put an S here, that's it. So now for line in my file dot lines, read lines, so whenever you guys gonna put it here, and you guys gonna see that 1 2 3 4 lines here. So there is a 4 here, but if you look in here, why we have not there is no space here, and this ones look like there is one here, another here. So how to make it look like this, how to make that one instead of a lot of space, how you guys gonna do that? There is a small trick in this one. You guys gonna come here, it says print line, and you guys gonna put it end. So whenever you guys gonna put an end, it means that it's gonna remove everything, all this space. So now you guys looking here, it looks awesome, it looks beautiful. So that's it for this is the last one for file input output functions. So I've shown you guys how you guys gonna open your file, how you guys gonna read your file, write your file, append your file, and in the next video I'm gonna show you guys the exception handling, how you guys what happens if you guys try to open a file and it doesn't exist. So you guys need to know exception handling, and if you guys know exception handling, then you guys going to be the expert programmers in Python. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you guys have any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.